Today, based on credible intelligence input, we, the Krishna Police, and a joint team of various specialized wings of Andhra Pradesh, like the Octopus and the intelligence, all these wings combinedly, we did a joint operation here. And as part of the joint operation, we have unearthed the team of Maoists, which are 28 in number, that were hiding here since a few days. And we have kept them under surveillance, and at the right time we have picked them up. Out of these 28, there are 21 female, and rest of them are the male Maoists. Out of these people, we have discovered through our preliminary information that there is a team of Devji's specialized team of Devji's protection wing under leadership of one lady called Jyoti, and these 9 members team are specialized in close protection of the Maoist leader Devji, and the rest of all, as far as our preliminary information goes, they belong to Hidmas battalion. They are here after fleeing away from Chhattisgarh, and here they are taking shelter. And our information, preliminary information, is that they are planning some offence here. Based on that preliminary information, we have preempted them and arrested those particular people. And after completing all legal formalities, they will be produced before court tomorrow. अभी जितने वेपन्स है वो अभी हम नहीं बता सकते, क्योंकि अभी तो प्रिलिमिनरी स्टेज में वो जो सीन ऑफ क्राइम है उसको प्रिजर्व किया था हमने. अभी क्लूज टीम को बुलाया था, डॉग स्क्वाड भी है इधर, और बॉम्ब डिस्पोजल टीम भी है ऑक्टोपस का. वो लोग अपना काम कर रहा है. वो पूरा होने के बाद ही हम बता सकते हैं कि कितना वेपन्स है, कि कितना एम्यूनिशन है, या कितना ये एक्सप्लोजिव सब्सटेंसेस है उसके पास, तभी बता सकते हैं. आई हैव टू क्लैरिफाई दैट not only Vijayawada, there are simultaneous operations that are going on in different places across the state. Those particular districts will reveal as and when those particular operations are concluded. And as far my area is concerned, that is the Krishna district, this is the outcome of operation as well. Devji is, his designation is Central Committee Secretary, I think. He is the Central Committee Secretary, Devji, alias Tippiri Tirupati. So I think here the protection team of Devji is stationed here.